Most CRM projects don't stall because the software is wrong. They stall because the brief isn't strong enough to guide the project. If the brief is vague, leadership can't approve it cleanly, partners can't scope it properly, and the team can't prove whether it worked. The 6 things every CRM brief should include. Let's make this real. Alex is a head of operations trying to run growth across sales, service, and delivery with systems that barely talk to each other.
Customer notes sit in one tool, pipeline updates live somewhere else, and reporting turns into a weekly scavenger hunt.
That means no shared customer view. One team sees opportunity. Another sees support history. Finance sees something different again.
Alex isn't chasing a shiny new platform. Alex is trying to connect the business so handoffs improve, decisions speed up, and teams stop working blind.
The need is real. The launch of a new CRM project idea is solid. But that's exactly where many teams assume the hard part is done.
In the boardroom, Alex presents the plan with real conviction. The case sounds obvious. Better visibility, fewer manual workarounds, stronger customer follow-through.
Then the conversation shifts. How long will this take? What will it cost? Which teams need to change? How will we measure success after go live?
Alex has pieces of the answer, but not one clear story that links the problem, the plan, the trade-offs, and the return.
And that's the turning point. The launch of a new CRM project idea still struggles if the brief doesn't give decision makers enough structure to back it. When the brief is thin, approval slows down, scope drifts, and delivery teams start filling in gaps on their own. The issue isn't that Alex picked the wrong project. The issue is that the project was never framed in a way everyone could align around.
Later, at an industry event, the CEO mentions the project to a CRM delivery expert. The answer is immediate. This doesn't sound like an idea problem. It sounds like a brief problem. Most delayed CRM projects start with the same gap. The team knows they need change, but the brief doesn't define enough to approve, scope, and deliver with confidence.
And once you see that, the fix gets much simpler. Build a better brief before you build the project. First, name the business problem, not "we need a CRM." Say what's actually broken, like lost follow-ups, duplicate data, or no reliable pipeline view. Second, describe the current state. Show how work happens today, which systems are involved, where handoffs fail, and where teams are forced into manual workarounds. Third, define the desired outcome. Explain what better looks like in the real business, not just in the software. That could mean one customer record, faster lead routing, cleaner forecasting, or better reporting for leadership. The outcome needs to be visible and measurable. Fourth, spell out the constraints. Budget, timeline, internal capacity, compliance needs, and technical limits all shape what a realistic project can become. Fifth, list the stakeholders. Who owns the decision? Who uses the system? Who approves spend? Who needs to adopt new ways of working? And sixth, define done. If you can't say what success looks like at launch and after adoption, you can't prove ROI later. A strong definition of done might include adoption targets, reporting visibility, process improvements, and commercial outcomes the business can actually track. Here's the payoff. When your CRM brief is structured, it's easier to get approved because leadership can see the case clearly. It's easier to scope because implementation partners aren't guessing what matters most. And it's easier to deliver on time because expectations are clearer from day one. Most importantly, it's easier to prove ROI because success was defined before the work began, not invented after launch. If you're planning a CRM project, use these 6 components to strengthen your brief before you approach suppliers or ask for approval. 6 components. A structured brief. The right expert matched to the right project. That is the difference between a CRM project that moves forward and one that stalls in a boardroom for months. If you are about to launch your next CRM project, an implementation, a migration, an integration, or a custom build, and you need vetted experts ready to deliver it remotely, the CRM Operations and Automation Hub powered by IMC connects you with a network of vetted CRM experts and developers. Browse their expertise, years of experience, number of projects delivered and certifications, then submit your brief. Visit www.imarketing-consulting.eu to learn more. Submit your brief to connect with CRM experts and developers ready to remotely work on your CRM projects. And if this helped you structure your next CRM project more effectively, subscribe to the IMC YouTube channel with millions of video views around CRM operations and automation. Hit subscribe now to join a fast-growing online community engaged after watching our video series around CRM operations and automation, and go brief your next project properly. Visit www.imarketing-consulting.eu now to get started.